Hi guys, welcome to Princesa Garden Resort and Spa. We are in the hotel. We just arrived from Davao, and I just want to show you some of our hotel. It's very nice. It's big, quite big. This is the two thing.
And complimentary
Wow.
jewelry for the gifts from the resort to the guests here at the hotel. So nice jewelry.
And shower. They have a big shower.
Very big.
Big. Toilet and shower bath, bubble bath. It's too big.
Very
I love
large.
this one.
And jets. So we're going to have the water from all sides with the many jets there.
And this one is our bed. It's very big bed.
Spacious. King size bed.
King size. And look, as our ceiling is very good. It looks beautiful. And it's a neat. And a big television and outside. You see the outside? It's raining right now. You have a tree, coconut outside. I think it's 10 minutes from airport, right?
Yep, about 10 minutes from the airport.
By a taxi, 10 minutes. We pay like 250 pesos from airport to here. I will show you some outside. The view. We are in the sixth floor and hotel. Now in the balcony, we can see the playground, the children's playground, swimming pool. And there's a lot of swimming pool. 1, 2, 3, and the ocean. See, they have a restaurant, they have a gym, they have a lot kind of restaurant. Japanese, Italian restaurant. And they have a billiard. Yeah, and they have an elevator, right?
Yep.
Yeah, elevator. Enjoy watching, guys. Please share and subscribe our channel, Maria Mike Connected.
Mike Maria Connected.
Mike Maria Connected channel.
Yes.
Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.